Do you know what all important five factors that you have to consider if you want to test any AI powered application like ChatGPT? If you are already watching my videos, definitely you must be aware of. If you are new on the channel, I will explain once again. So the first important factor, that is the accuracy. Let's take example, you're working with the ChatGPT kind of application where you would ask something, right, and application would give the response. As a tester, we have to ensure the response should be correct enough, right? So that is our first responsibility. Next one is the instructions. Whenever we ask something from the applications, definitely we would provide some instructions along with the prompt, right? So let's take example, you want to generate some essay within 500 characters, or you want to generate some test data based on some examples, right? So you have to ensure whatever response you're getting from the application, that should follow those instructions. The next one is the context and the memory. That is again an important factor as a powered application. Let's take an example, you are working on some Zira card, you are asking from your application what is the intent of that particular story card. It would give the result. Afterwards you would ask some of the scenarios related to that feature, right? So AI application should able to connect that context and recall those memories whatever it has, and it would respond back accordingly. It should not give some random response. Okay, another one is the safety and the security. That is again an important factor. Sometimes some application would generate some inappropriate data, right? So as a tester, you have to ensure if you would provide some harmful prompt, right? So that application should not allow to generate the inappropriate responses. Last one is the consistency and the reliability. That is again the important factor, because in case of these AI applications, the response would be different every time, right? That is known to us, but the intent should be same. Suppose you are asking about some story card, so application should give the response with different wordings every time, but the intent should remain same every time. That is the important factor that you have to test as a tester. So these are important five factors that you have to consider as a AI tester if you want to build your career as a AI tester. And if you want to know more, you can reach out to me on LinkedIn, or you can comment your queries on this video. Till then, bye bye, take care.